Happy Monday, guys. I miss you, and I'm sorry that I'm not there with you. But tomorrow I'll fill you in on more of the details. But I had to go away this weekend because I had to surprise my sister at her proposal, and she is officially engaged.
What up, everybody?
She can't wait to come and meet you guys later this school year, but I can't wait to hear about your weekends as well on Tuesday when I get back. And now I'm going to walk you through some of the stuff that you're going to do in class today. So on Google Classroom, first and foremost, you are going to find the 5 themes of geography presentation that we went through last week together. You are going to be allowed to open up this presentation, use it, look through it, make sure that you have all of the notes that you need, and you are going to use some of those slides in that presentation to help you with the notes that you will take today. So, first things first, what I want you to do is I want you to get out your Chromebook and I want you to go to Google Classroom. When you open up your Google Classroom page, the first thing that you're going to see there is a link to a Quizizz. When you click on that link, you're going to see 2. One is a mobile link, one is a web link. You are using a Chromebook, so you need to click on the web link. When that pops up, please make sure that you're using your rcdoc.education account to sign up in order to do that Quizizz. This Quizizz is going to be on the 5 themes of geography. It's going to maybe ask you some questions that we haven't gone over together yet. That's okay. Use your interactive notebook to help you. Use the 5 themes of geography presentation to help you in order to complete this Quizizz. When you have completed this Quizizz, you may come back to this video and watch the rest of it. But until then, you need to pause this video and go take that Quizizz on Google Classroom. Okay, so you're back, which means that you completed the Quizizz. After you've completed the Quizizz, you're going to need to go to the brown bookshelf in the back of the room. You're going to see a worksheet, and it's going to have you label continents and oceans, the 7 continents and the 5 oceans. Now, in order to assist you in doing this, you're going to need a few things. First, you're going to need a black crayon or a black Sharpie or a black marker. Yes, you may borrow one from me. Just please make sure that you return it. So right now, I want you to go get that worksheet and a black pen, black marker, black crayon, black something to write with. And pause the video. Okay, so now you should have something black to write with, and you're going to go to your Google Classroom page right here and click on this 5 themes of geography presentation. When you do that, the 5 themes of geography presentation is going to pop up in another window, and you're going to have it in view only. Over here, I want you to look at the slides and how they are numbered. Go all the way down to slide 13. Click on slide 13. It's going to look like this. What is a continent? It's one of the 7 principal land masses of the earth. Now, you can see that this light green continent is North America. This dark green continent is South America. This dark red is Europe. This is Asia. Australia is purple, and Africa is yellow. Antarctica is this blue. And yes, you may watch the 7 Continents song if you really want to, but I promise we'll watch it when I return. Now, the worksheet is actually going to tell you which color each of these continents needs to be colored. So please follow the directions on the worksheet, but use this slide as your guide to where the continents are and where their lines are drawn. Now, pause the video and complete that worksheet with this slide or using this slide for the continents only. So as of right now, you should have completed the worksheet with the 7 continents only, using slide 13 from that 5 themes of geography presentation. Right now, I'm going to show you what to do with the oceans on this worksheet and using slide 14 of the 5 themes of geography presentation to help you label those 5 oceans. Now this time, go down to slide 14 and it's going to say, what is an ocean? It's a very large quantity of sea. In particular, each of the main areas in which the sea is divided geographically. So now I want you to use this slide to help you label the 5 oceans. Now notice the Arctic Ocean is at the top. The Atlantic Ocean is in between the continents of North America, South America, Europe, and Africa. The Pacific Ocean is on this side to the left of North America and South America, and it's also to the right of Asia. Then you're going to have the Indian Ocean right here by India, Africa, and Australia. And then all the way down here by Antarctica, that's the last ocean, the Southern Ocean. So go ahead and label those oceans using this slide. Okay, so as of right now, you should have labeled the continents, the oceans. The oceans are numbered on that worksheet. Now I want you to make sure that you take this worksheet, fold it, and then glue it to your interactive notebook. Glue it inside of the interactive notebook. Again, you may borrow a glue stick, just please make sure that you return it. So at this point, everything that should be completed is, first, the quizzes on the 5 themes of geography. 2, you should have received or gotten up and gotten the worksheet from the brown bookshelf in the back of the room. Then you should have labeled the 7 continents. Then you should have labeled the 5 oceans. And then you should have glued that into your interactive notebook. And hopefully you will have completed all of this over the course of the class period. If you finish early, please go back and respond to some of the flip grids, watch some more flip grids, but I am positive that this will take up most of your class period. Also, I miss you lots. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye. Love you, mean it.